Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. It has been 19 days since my last little update on my French marigolds, and I just wanted to come back because last night before I went to bed I noticed something happening. Anyway, so first of all, you can see really nice growth happening, and I've had a little grow light going on these. I've been feeding them with some plant food, and I also have a little USB fan. I'll just bring that over here so you can see it. This little fan here, and I have that about maybe 2 feet away from the plant, just kind of giving it a little bit of stimulation. So you put that on, and I have it just, you know, about 2 feet away, and you can see it's just kind of like blowing on there. And what that does is it simulates being outside, and when the plant, when it feels, you know, something blowing on it, you know, like, you know, the wind, when you're outside, it starts to make itself get the stems a little bit thicker, a little bit stronger, so that it can, you know, withstand the wind. So let me just turn this off. You'll see fans in a lot of nurseries and places where they're growing tomatoes and peppers and stuff like that indoors. But anyway, so really nice growth. You can see how green that plant is. Really nice. Well, there's a lot of plants in here. But what I noticed, and I thought I better get this on video before it actually starts happening, right down in the middle there is a flower that has just started. There's one there. There's another one in here, right there. They are super, super small. There's another one right there. Now, I don't know if I hold it, open it up a little bit right there, and I just zoom in with the camera. Hopefully you can see that. It is tiny. I'm just going to point to it with these. You can see it. It's right there, right in the middle there. I've kind of grabbed it almost. Right there. Super, super small. So I wanted to get this on film before it starts happening. So I see 1, 2, 3. There's 4. Yep, there's another one. 5, very, very small. 6. So anyway, we're going to keep an eye on that, and I will do a little bit of updates on this one here on a regular basis once this starts, because this is pretty exciting. So as I had mentioned in my videos prior to this one, when you go to the store, most places, all of the big box stores, they sell, when you're buying seeds for marigolds, you'll see them as listed as just, you know, marigolds, or they might say Cracker Jack marigolds, and they never actually specify what type they are. And then through a lot of Googling last year, I finally realized that they are African marigolds, the ones that you can buy with the seeds at most of the box stores. They grow 3 to 4 feet high, and they are much more of a wild species. I don't like those as much. These are the ones that I like. These here are going to grow about a foot tall, you know, a foot to 2 feet tall max. So anyway, we're going to see how these are going, but you can already see that this plant is only, you know, I don't know what it is. I'd say maybe, you know, 3 inches tall, and we're already getting little flowers on it. So this is really awesome. And in case you didn't watch any of the other videos, all of these flowers started off from one pod that I had harvested last year. So I let it go through all of fall, right through the winter. I started these off, I believe, okay, I just had to check my records. So I did start these off from seed, from that pod, that single pod. I just sprinkled all of the marigold seeds into here and then just covered them up, and that was on February the 5th. So overall, not bad. If these were outside with real sun, I am sure that these would be much more advanced, because I am using a very inexpensive little grow light. I'll just bring it over once again, because I did show it off in the this is on. Let me just turn that off. It changes the color of the film when I'm filming, but you can see it here. So it just has a little thing that you can clamp. I got this on Amazon. I think it was about $20, and I've had this probably, I'd say 6, 7, 8 years now, and it still works. I'm not really sure how well it works, but considering the plant is super green, I would say that it's working quite well. Plus I'm also giving it that plant food that I've shown in other videos. Anyway, so I'm rambling on, but I just wanted to really come back and just show you how nice all of these flowers are. You can see there's quite a few of them in there. I didn't count how many, but not all of them from that little pod actually germinated. I'd say probably a quarter of them did. But these are coming along really, really well. So I will be back with another update when those little flowers start to blossom. So that's it for this really fast video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.